What if the key to unlocking your true self lies hidden within the very DNA we have been taught to ignore, junk DNA? Is it really, though? Imagine if the vast stretches of genetic code, dismissed as junk by mainstream science, actually hold the secret to your consciousness, misleading, or undiscovered. For years, we have been led to believe that these dormant sequences were nothing more than evolutionary leftovers. Thinking outside the box, with an open mind, I ask, but what if this so-called junk DNA is, in fact, a quantum blueprint, connecting you to something far greater than your physical body? Have you ever thought that there has to be more than this? Do you feel connected to the stars? The concept of consciousness has long puzzled scientists and philosophers alike. What if we combine science and spirituality? What if they were interconnected? We have searched for its origins in the intricate folds of the brain, in the firing of neurons, and in the complex interplay of neurotransmitters. So what is in our junk DNA? What if the answer has been within us all along, encoded in the very fabric of our being? As above, so below, as within, so without. What if our junk DNA, far from being useless, is the key to unlocking the mysteries of our awareness? Seriously, consider for a moment the possibility that we have been lied to about the nature of our genetic makeup, or simply undiscovered. What if finding the origins of human life is in our junk DNA? The Human Genome Project, heralded as a breakthrough in understanding our biological blueprint, classified vast portions of our DNA as non-coding and seemingly purposeless. How can such a high percentage of our DNA be pointless? But what if this classification was premature? What if, in our haste to understand the obvious, we overlooked the extraordinary? If true, this would be extraordinary for the human race. Our junk DNA, comprising over 98% of our genetic material, has long been a subject of scientific debate. Perhaps the secret lies within. But recent discoveries are challenging the notion that it's mere genetic debris. What if these expansive regions of our genome are actually sophisticated antennae, tuning us into the quantum field of consciousness that permeates the universe? The implications of such a revelation are staggering, suggesting that our very essence extends far beyond the confines of our physical bodies. The process of awakening to this truth may be the next great leap in human evolution. As we begin to explore the untapped potential within our DNA, we might find ourselves on the brink of a consciousness revolution. This awakening could unlock abilities we have only dreamed of: heightened intuition, expanded awareness, and a deeper connection to the world around us and to each other. Imagine the possibilities if we could harness the power of our full genetic potential. We might discover that our true self is not limited to the personality shaped by our experiences and environment, but is something far more vast and interconnected. This realization could fundamentally alter our understanding of who we are and our place in the cosmos. The journey to uncovering your true self may lie in remembering what we have forgotten, or what we have been conditioned to overlook. Our junk DNA could be the repository of ancient wisdom, a genetic memory bank holding the experiences of countless generations before us. By tapping into this reservoir of knowledge, we might access insights and abilities that have laid dormant for millennia. What if the key to remembering our true nature lies in reactivating these dormant parts of our DNA? Scientists are already exploring ways to switch on genes that have long been silent. Could similar techniques be used to awaken the latent potential within our junk DNA? The prospect is both thrilling and humbling, suggesting that we are on the cusp of rediscovering our true capabilities as conscious beings. As we stand on the threshold of this new understanding, we must ask ourselves, are we ready to embrace the full extent of our genetic heritage? Are we prepared to challenge the assumptions that have limited our perception of self and reality? The answers to these questions could reshape our world in ways we can scarcely imagine. The journey of self-discovery may be about to take an unexpected turn. By delving into the depths of our so-called junk DNA, we might find that the greatest mysteries of existence are not out there in the vastness of space, but within the very cells of our bodies. This internal exploration could lead us to a profound realization that we are more than our physical forms, more than our thoughts and emotions. We are, perhaps, the universe becoming conscious of itself. What if the next chapter in human evolution isn't about changing our bodies, but about awakening to the fullness of who we already are? The secret to this awakening may have been with us all along, patiently waiting in the quiet spaces between our genes, in the vast stretches of DNA we have to hastily labeled as junk. As we begin to unravel this mystery, we may find that the greatest breakthrough about who we are has been hidden in plain sight, waiting for us to remember our true nature and embrace our cosmic heritage.